Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you the best travel insurance for Canada. Trawick International is a company that provides travel insurance and international medical insurance plans for individuals and groups traveling abroad. They offer various types of coverage, including trip cancellation, emergency medical expenses, evacuation, and more. Trawick International aims to provide peace of mind to travelers by offering comprehensive insurance plans tailored to their needs. First, enter your destination as Canada. Next, input your home country, then specify your home state. After that, select coverage dates. If you require annual plans, check the box. Click on Next. On this page, you will need to provide information about the travelers, including their ages. Click on Get a Quote. Here you will find different plans, such as Safe Travels Basic Annual, priced at $155, Safe Travels Deluxe Annual at $305, Safe Travel Executive Annual at $743. Select the plan that best fits your needs. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.